I know. I know. This is like the 15th FabFitFun spring box I've seen in my own feed. I know. Okay, so this is kind of how I'm feeling in this moment about FabFitFun. First of all, I do really like the subscription. I am a FabFitFun partner, which means that this is a sponsored video. I've been getting FabFitFun for at least a year, maybe 2 years, maybe even longer than that. I've been getting FabFitFun for a while. They've been sponsoring videos on my channel for a while. But I think the market is a little oversaturated on YouTube. So I'm debating whether I am gonna keep reviewing this box. It's really gonna depend on your feedback on this video. What I'd love for you to do is, depending on whether you wanna see these boxes anymore, I give you 100% permission to dislike this video if you don't want me to do these box reviews anymore. But if you do like them, if you do enjoy them, please give this video a thumbs up so that I can decide whether I wanna keep doing this, because I don't mind getting rid of sponsored content on my channel if people are genuinely not interested. But what I do ask you to do before you hit that thumbs up and thumbs down button and giving me feedbacks in the comments is see if the way that I'm doing this is helpful for you. Let me give you a rundown if you've never seen FabFitFun before. It is a $50-ish, like $49.95 a month subscription. It's fashion, fitness, wellness, lifestyle kinds of stuff. I do have a discount code that I do not profit off of. It's just for tracking to see whether they want to continue to send me the boxes or not. My payment with FabFitFun is completely finished at this point, but you do get $10 off of your first box if you do subscribe. Without me rambling anymore, let's go ahead and get into what is in the spring box, because I personally think it actually is a really good box. The first thing you'll see when you open your box, if you do decide to get it, is a magazine, and this month they did include all of the prices and the items, which always makes me very happy because then I can share that information with you. This right here is an eye mask. What you do with this is you put it in the refrigerator and it becomes cold, and then it's supposed to be soothing on your eyes. They say, you know, cold can help with depuffing your eyes, things like that. I find this one to be quite inflexible and quite tight, but it is very cute, and I do like the cooling effect, but I do find that it's a little bit stiff for me for what I like for face masks. It does have an adjuster on the back, but I still find it to be a little bit uncomfortable to wear just for me personally, but it is adorable. Would I have bought this? Generally, no, I would not have purchased this. The next thing is something that's really cute that I'm actually going to bring with me to New York this week. This is a bag by Rachel Pelly, and I do think that I would have purchased this if it was a little bit less expensive. I don't know if I would have paid the full retail price for it, but I love that it's reversible. I think that that's super cute, and it's very springy and adorable. It seems to be a very high quality. This is coming at the perfect time. I'm taking the train up to New York to go to the Glam Masters premiere party, and I am so excited to go and excited to have been invited. So this is going to be perfect for that. I bought myself a navy blue jumpsuit, so this is going to go perfectly with that. I wanted something that I could ride the train in comfortably, so very excited about this. It's got faux leather on the back, and I think this is really, really cute. It's got a separate little pocket on the inside, and I'm very thankful to have this. For me, this almost makes the entire value of the box. I'm very excited about this. By the way, you still can purchase this box if you do like it and you do think that it's worth the $40 and you've never subscribed before. You can still purchase this exact box. There are a couple of choice items in there, but I'll mention those when I get to them. This one comes in 3 different patterns, and I'll put those different pattern choices up on the screen now so you can see which one you might get. Personally, I think they're all really cute. Next up, we have the Korres Body Butter, and this is actually one of those choice items. I probably would have picked this over the other choice item, which is the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Masks. I have tried those before. I don't find them to be anything magical. Topical application of collagen, there really isn't a lot of evidence that it actually does anything. So this is what I would have picked, so I'm thankful to have it. Let me put it on my hands. It smells like coconut, but it's not that obnoxious smell of coconut that I find to be obnoxious. I know some people really like it, but I don't like the smell of suntan lotion. It smells very nice and fruity and a little bit coconutty, but it's not like saturated fake coconut. It smells more like genuine fruits than artificial, which I really like. It's very, very hydrating. It feels very good. I probably wouldn't have purchased this just because I do already have a lot of hand lotions, but if I didn't have a lot of hand lotions, this would be one that I think that I would purchase because it does feel really good. The ingredient base is it starts with water, then cetyl alcohol, which is a good alcohol, and then we have sweet almond oil as the major ingredient. So if you have a nut allergy, you do not want to get this. Glycerin, which is a humectant, it brings moisture out of the air into your skin. Cocoa caprolate, which is texture, I believe, based out of coconut oil. I'm trying to find another. Oh, sunflower seed oil is next, and then it has squalane in it, which is really, really nice. Some people think that that comes from shark liver. It doesn't necessarily. A lot of times now it's artificially made. And then shea butter is in here. I know some people don't like shea butter, avocado oil, things like that, but I personally really like the way this feels. At this point, I can barely feel it on my hands now. It doesn't feel super greasy, so this is definitely a win for me. But again, I wouldn't have outright purchased it, but I'm thankful to have it. Next up is the Ish lip palette. Now this is something I'm actually not going to use because I don't personally enjoy lip palettes. I don't, when I put on lip product, I like to be able to bring the lip product with me, and for me a lip palette just isn't functional, so I haven't touched this. I'm actually going to put this in for a future giveaway, probably as like an add-on bonus for a giveaway, but it does have some beautiful colors that could be used by many, many skin tones, which I do really like. You've got this light shade here, which is very nice because then you can mix it in with the other shades and kind of make your own custom lip color. So that's one nice thing about a lip palette, but I'm just not into them. It does come with a little lip brush, which I think is very considerate and nice to have that in there for travel. It seems very sturdily made. Is sturdily a word? Very sturdy. It's sturdy. I don't know if sturdily is a word. The clip closure on here is very, very strong, so I think that this would be really nice to throw into a purse. It doesn't seem like it would be something that would open up. It's got a beautiful large mirror in here. I think it looks like a very nice product for the right person. It's just not personally for me. Next up, I want to show you the lifestyle item, which I'm actually also very excited about. I spend a lot of time sitting up at my desk on my computer and my shoulders get very, very tense. I actually schedule monthly massages, which is a luxury that I pay for. They swear to me it's not a luxury, but for me, I feel like it's very expensive to get monthly massages, but I feel like it really helps me to get less headaches. I was getting really bad headaches for a while. I use this a little bit on my back and it feels so good. It's a very light pressure on the back. I didn't even tell you what it is. I'm just going on and on and on and on. This is the Physique 57 massage roller. You can use both hands and kind of get your neck and roll it around your neck, which feels like I'm getting chills right now. It feels so good. And I always get tense like right up by my scalp. So I can really get at my scalp right here and I can even run it on my head. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. And one thing I really like about this is it's not super intense, where I feel like some of these kinds of things, they're just too sharp, where this, I feel, it feels really, really good. And I think this pushes it over for something that I would definitely have purchased. This box between the purse and this, I mean, like now that I've tried it, it feels amazing. I have to tell you, it feels amazing, and it's my favorite color, so that helps too. Do I have to keep doing this video? Because I could just sit here and do this all day. Oh look, so on the back of this, I just read this. This is really neat. Physique 57 now offers barre classes on demand. See results in just 8 workouts. Free 2-month trial. Visit ondemand.physique57.com and enter promo code FAB18, so you could even do that if you wanted to. I don't think they know the difference of whether you're a FabFitFun subscriber or not, but if you wanted to check that out, you could totally get a free trial. Pretty cool. I don't know if I'm going to do that because I don't know if I'm flexible for bar anymore. I'm not flexible at all. I think I'm like one of the least flexible people on the entire planet. I used to take dance 4 days a week when I was in high school and I still couldn't do the splits. I'm just not flexible. Let's move on from there. I got stuck in that for a little bit because it was just so super fabulous. This is another thing that I really like. It's very, very me. This is the Maya Brenner Los Angeles necklace and it says love on it. And you know, love is just kind of my thing. Jen loves reviews. Just love in general is just, it's always been, I know that sounds kind of stupid, but love has always kind of been my word. You know, ever since I was in high school, I just think love is just such a beautiful, wonderful thing. And anytime you can show people love, it makes the world a better place. So I'm actually going to put this on and show you the length of it. It's just, oh, it's a bracelet. Oh, I thought it was a necklace. Oh man. I didn't actually try this on yet, but I'm going to put it on my wrist because it's just so pretty. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be able to put put this on all by myself, but I don't usually wear bracelets, but I think that this one's special in that I identify with this so much, and I'm happy to have this. I'm very, very thankful. With the Love bracelet, it's actually one of those choice items, so there are some really cute earrings. I think I would have chosen the Love bracelet, but I would not have been mad about the earrings. I'll put a picture of the earrings here that you could have gotten. They're super cute too, but I think I personally would have chosen the Love bracelet. So good job, FabFitFun, on knowing what I want, or I just got lucky, I don't know. Next up, they did include a bonus item. This isn't considered part of the box. It's an advertised product. This is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk. This is another thing I haven't opened yet. Let me open it up and just smell it, and then hope I don't spill it. Because I want to tell you what it smells like. Number one ingredient is water, and then glycerin, and then hydrated silica. After the fragrance is macadamia seed oil. So the ingredients are not super impressive. It smells like vanilla butter. It smells good. Let me just put a little tiny bit on my fingers. It's a very sandy grit to it. I would imagine that would be very nice in the shower, but I wouldn't expect this to give you a lot of hydrating results. I think this would be more of an exfoliator than an actual body hydrator. And if you're sensitive to fragrance, stay far away from this because it looks like there's a lot of fragrance in here. Skincare item in here, there's always a skincare item. This is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, and I did look a little bit into the ingredients of this. This is a lightweight oil-free moisturizer, provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract and natural humectant. I really like honey extract in my products. I have found that they do wonders for my skin as far as anti-aging. I do not have blemish prone skin, so this is again another thing that I'm going to pass on to someone that does, that can get more benefit out of it. But I did look into the ingredients a little bit. There is squalane in here. Again, there is retinol in here, so this is going to be something you would want to use at night, or make sure you use sunscreen. If you do use it at night, either wash it off in the morning or make sure you put your sunscreen on over top of it when you wake up. Everybody should probably be using sunscreen anyway. There's something called trehalose in here, which is another really good ingredient. Taurine, betaine, those are all really good things. So this does look like a pretty legit, awesome product, but again, I am going to pass it on to somebody that I think would benefit from this more than I do. I have a select group of friends that just constantly get stuff from me. So Fran, this one's for you. Two more things in here. We got a candle. We do get candles occasionally. I personally really like candles. What I'll usually do is I cook dinner, I clean up dinner, and my reward for cooking an awesome dinner and then cleaning everything up is to light a candle. That's what I do. But this is a fresh linen candle. It's my husband's favorite scent is fresh linen. It is in this metal tin here, but other than that, it's not anything fancy or anything. It smells like fresh linen, like a typical fresh linen candle. And I'm happy to have this. Again, not something that I would have purchased, but I will definitely use it. The last product is a nail product, and this is by Cermelect Cosmeceuticals, and it is a nail makeover. Let me show you the box. So it's got quite a few claims on here. It says brilliantly conceal nail imperfections, successfully fill in ridges, strengthen weak, brittle, hard to grow nails, and treat acrylic or gel damaged nails. I'm so mad at myself because I had this on my desk to put on my nails last night to at least give some kind of first impression, and I completely forgot to do it. So what I did was I just put it on one hand just to see how it went on. It went on very thin, very smooth, and clear, like glossy. I am very interested in this product to see whether it works or not. I will be using this and I'm excited to try it. I don't know if I would have bought it, but I'm very, very happy to try it, and I'm thankful, and I do feel like it increases the value of the box because I'm a person that is very, very hard on my nails. Genetically, my grandmother gave me her nails, which I'm so thankful for. She has incredibly strong nails. She's always had very naturally fake looking nails, like really long. She's my only grandmother that I have left, and she is an amazing person. I would love to introduce you to her one day. She is fabulous. Her name is June, and she's a dancer, and she's incredible. But thankfully, she gave me her strong nails genetically. So I'm very, very hard on my nails. My nails are a chipped mess right now because I just haven't been, I've been kind of neglecting them, but they grow on their own without any need for strengthening. However, I do get a lot of of dings in my nails, so I think this would be really, really nice to kind of cover up some of those dings to make my nails look a little bit more perfect. I can't speak to how well this works, unfortunately, because I'm an idiot and I forgot to try it, but I'm really, really excited about seeing this in the box. So overall, I mean, I think I've already said it. I do think for me personally, this is well worth $50. $40 I feel like is a steal for this stuff, and if you've seen my FabFitFun unboxings before, you know I do not say that all the time. There's definitely been some boxes where I was like, no, you know, no. But for me, I mean, this is definitely a yes for me. The Ish palette is a no for me. The massage roller is a yes. This thing's only $20. So if you see one of these in the store, if you want to buy one online, if this was the only thing that looked good to you, I definitely recommend picking this up on its own because this thing is pretty stinking magical. The purse, I'm so excited about this because like I said, it came at the perfect time. The bracelet, I'm really excited about. The hand lotion, I'm happy to have, wouldn't have purchased it. The Murad, I wouldn't have purchased because it's not really meant for my skin, even though it seems like a legit product for the right person. My husband's gonna love this candle. Again, happy to have it, wouldn't have purchased it. For me, just these two products alone are worth $40. Adding on the bracelet and the nail treatment, I'm very, very happy with FabFitFun this month. And like I said in the beginning, even though I do love getting this box for free and I do love getting paid to make these videos, if you don't like them, if there's a lot of people that don't like them, if this video doesn't get a lot of views, if you're not enjoying them, I will stop doing FabFitFun. I'm gonna go with the majority on it, so let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I just feel like FabFitFun is way too oversaturated on YouTube at this point, and I don't like to do the same videos that everybody else is doing. It's not who I am, it's not my style, and I don't care if I lose money over it. It's not worth it to me to put out content that is boring. You know what I mean? Thank you again so much for watching this video. Again, please leave your feedback with the thumbs up and the thumbs downs down below. Giving me a thumbs down isn't going to hurt me overall. It's just gonna give me an idea of what you think of these videos. The comment section down below to give me feedback on FabFitFun in general and what you think of my videos that I'm creating for these. Which format do you like the best that I'm doing? I've done the blindfolded version, I've done the raw unboxing, and now I've done the review version. Your opinion is important to me, so please leave that feedback down below. Thank you again so much for watching, and thank you to FabFitFun for sending this to me. I genuinely appreciate it. Mad love, and I will see you in a video soon. Bye!